Siamo diretti a Powai Lake, dove mi incontrerò con Prasoon. Prasoon è un caporedattore del Powai Planet, piccola testata locale che si occupa della difesa del Powai Lake come patrimonio, che è preziosissima fonte di acqua per buona parte di Mumbai. Where are you from, Robert? Are you from Mumbai?
I am from Kerala, sir.
Okay.
Trivandrum. 14 years I am living in Mumbai. 14 years.
Do you like Mumbai?
But
So depends.
like, but I no money there, my home village,
Okay.
because I am staying in Mumbai. But no job, nothing, anything there,
I know.
because I am coming Mumbai.
Same old problem, money.
Yeah, money problem. Every year, December time, I been my home, then 10-15 days stay there, then come back Mumbai. KFC के पास ही है?
हाँ?
KFC का बिल्डिंग नहीं है क्या?
ये रोडस होटल है ये।
Robert, yes. So can you tell me something about the big flood of July 2005?
Yes, 2005. Afternoon 2 o'clock start the rain. Very short time. 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. All over Mumbai floating the water.
4 hours?
4 hours rain only.
Oh my God.
Only 4 hours rain. All Mumbai floating the water. A lot of children, then aged guys. Totally, I think 835 people died that time. All over Mumbai, maybe 100 kilometers. But last year, 2006, good.
Okay.
No loss, nothing. But this year, I don't know. Can't explain.
Eccoci a Powai. Lui è Prasoon Kumar, caporedattore del Powai Planet, che oggi ci racconterà qualcosa di più sul Powai Lake.
Yeah, Powai Lake is one of the rarest water bodies, at the enclosed water body, a lake which happens to be in a urban city like Mumbai, which earlier used to be known as Bombay. It's a man-made lake which was dug in by the Britishers 150 years back. And today, unfortunately, there has been so much of urbanization, concretization along the lake, and it also happens to fall within the limits of the national park. But today the lake seems to be dying because of various reasons like silting, like the growth of weeds and water hyacinths. And somehow the lake is no more used for drinking purposes anymore. So the challenges faced by the local people immediately is how to reclaim the lake back to its original life. So this organic body is thriving and living. Government has spent billions of dollars trying to reclaim the land, the lake here. Fishes, what used to be here some 10 years back, no longer exist. And we hope that in times to come, on a very positive note, the lake should be reclaimed back to its original life. And in times to come, we, the local people of Powai, do understand and believe that we'll be able to save the lake and give this to our future mankind, to our children, where they can at least come and enjoy the scenic beauty, some fresh air, some greenery, some soothing view to the eyes. That's what is Powai Lake. Quite many movies have been shot here. It has been used in the background of Bollywood movies. A time would come when the city of Bombay, that is the Colaba, the Nariman Point, the Cuff Parade, the Worli, which once upon a time was reclaimed from the sea. It is projected and understood by scientists and by soothsayers and astrologers that that part of the real city of Bombay would sink in. That is the time when Powai would really emerge as the most famous address of Bombay. We just hope so. The global warming does not happen so fast. Let it be slow. Powai will wait for this time to come.